Early buying in Charlie Alpha Tango Bravo. Early buying in Victor India Victor Echo VIVE up a good amount here. Again, completing 6.76 million at the market offering. Let's see how this plays out. 585 is a pre-market high, ladies and gentlemen. We want to get above that price level, 585. Potential breakout zone. Oh yeah, Alta and HD on the move. GoPro showing up on the list once again. GoPro, there goes VIVE starting to make a move. We may have to go aggro at it. We'll have to wait and see. So far, not much trading at NLNK. Charlie Alpha Tango Bravo starting to turn down. Echo November Delta Papa ENDP showing up early on the action is heating up scanner. Rightfully so. There's some pretty strong buying going on in that name. I'm watching VIV at this moment right now. I may switch and aggressively pursue it on the 1 minute.